Today's in this video, I will set up Google Analytics 4 to a e-commerce website using Google Tag Manager. At first, we need to create a data stream according to our website. So we go to the website section, and here we can see the data stream. Then create a web and data stream name, and this is our website link like this. And we remove the HTTPS. Okay, now create. So see and click here, and we can see instant manual option. Here you can see instant manual option and copy the measurement ID here, and you need to and also we can use it, copy the measurement ID and go to tag manager, create a variable here, new constant variable, here paste a variable and name it GA4 measurement ID. Okay, save it. Now create a tag, new. Here we can select Google Analytics, Google tag. Here we can select the GA4 measurement ID and the firing page always. Okay, so here we named GA4 Google tag. Save it. Now preview it and continue. Here is open, and we go to the inspect section. Here we can choose the analytics debugger. It is the extension. Previously we need to connect it and debugging here, and we can see the GA4. Here is GA4 and the GA4 ID here. GA4 signal enabled, all is okay. Data collection, this is the correct way, and our server-side tracking is not implemented. That's why it's showing the cross